set of 5 plates for you. These are the most gorgeous, beautiful plates. I am so excited for these. So look how gorgeous these colors are. If you can see, this is the first plate. And I want to tell you guys, the detail put into these plates, it's just beautiful. If you can see all these different colors, you have your yellows, your blues, and your reds, but it is beautiful. So this is what the first one looks like in the set right here. This is what it looks like on the back. Then your next one that it comes with is this gorgeous one. Look at these colors. So you have your different colors, if you can see right there between the two, the different colors, but these are just beautiful plates. I love them so much. I am so excited to have these. If I have people over, these are gonna be beautiful just to set your table with. Gorgeous colors. Then this one has more of your orange colors right in here. Look how beautiful this one is. This one has your green colors, so it has your different greenery colors.